Today we are going to solve another circular arrangement puzzle. Previously I have uploaded two similar kind of videos, so you can view them from the below link.
Now we will first see the things to be taken care of or the things to be remembered while solving this kind of puzzles. So the very first thing is, while solving this kind of puzzle, find out how many persons are sitting around a circle. Okay, now the second thing is, if the number of persons sitting around a circle is even, then we have to divide a circle in equal parts. Let's see, suppose the number of persons sitting around a circle are 8, then we have to divide a circle in 8 equal parts like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. If the number of persons are 6, then we have to divide a circle in 6 equal parts like this: 1, 2, 1 and 2, and then divide each side of the circle, this side and this side, into two parts: 1, 2, 1, 2. So here comes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, now if this is this arrangement is for if the number of persons sitting around a circle are even, and if the number of persons sitting around the circle are odd, let's say 5, then we have to divide a circle randomly like 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we will see about the directions. So the first thing we will see is left. So left is associated with clockwise. So in these kind of questions, if you see the word left, then you have to move in a clockwise direction around the circle. Let's take an example. If condition is like B is second to the left of A, okay, and there are 6 persons sitting around a circle. Okay, now this condition says B is second to the left of A, means we have to find out the word which is followed. We have to find out the letter which is followed by of. The letter which is followed by of is A. So just put down A anywhere on the circle. And now read the condition again. B is second to the left of A. The word is, the direction is left, so we have to move in a clockwise direction from A, that is in this direction. And B is second, so this is first, this is second, so B will come here. Now the second thing is right, which is associated with anti-clockwise. So let's take another same example. B is second to the right of A, and again there are 6 persons sitting around a circle, and again we will find a letter which is followed by of, that is A. So put down A somewhere on the circle, we put it here, and the direction is right, so we will move in anti-clockwise direction from A. From A, if we move in anti-clockwise direction, and on the second place, that is first and second, so here it comes. B is second to the right of A. Now we will move to our question. The question says PQRS T, U, V and W are sitting around a circular table facing to the center. Remember, the first thing we need to check the number of persons sitting around a circle. Now here in this case there are 8 persons, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W. So we have to divide a circle in 8 equal parts. So here is the first thing. Divide a circle in 8 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now we have to read the conditions provided here very carefully. The first condition says Q sits in front of V. Okay, we will check this condition later. Then the second condition says T and R is not immediate neighbor of Q. We'll check this one also later. The third condition says P is not immediate neighbor of U and S. We will again check this condition later. The fourth condition says U is second to the left of V. So here it comes. U is second to the left of V. Now according to our direction rule, find out the letter which is followed by of, that is V. So put down V anywhere, we'll put it here, and the direction is left, so we will move in a clockwise direction, and U is second. So if you move in a clockwise direction from V to the second place, we will come here. So U will come here. In this way, U is second to the left of V. So the fourth condition is satisfied. Now move on to the next condition, that is S is immediate right of V. S is immediate right of V. Now the letter which is followed by of is V, that we have already put on the circle. And the direction is right, so we have to move in a anti-clockwise direction, and the condition is S is immediate right. So if we move from V into anti-clockwise direction, the immediate right place is this one, so S comes here. So fourth and fifth condition satisfied. Now we will move on to the first condition, that says Q sits in front of V. So in front of V, remember we have divided this circle into equal parts, that's why we can put Q in front of V. V is here, so in front of V we will put Q here. Now the first condition is satisfied. The second condition says T and R is not immediate neighbor of Q. T and R, these are not immediate neighbor of Q. So Q is here and immediate neighbor of Q are this one and this one. So T and R both will not come here. So the places remaining for T and R are this and this, but we don't know where will be the T and where will be the R. So we'll put TR will be here. Okay, so the second condition is remaining still a mystery, and we'll move on to the third condition, which says P is not immediate neighbor of U and S. P is not the immediate neighbor of U and S. So immediate neighbor of U are this one and this one, so P will not come here, here and here. Sorry, T will not come here and here. Sorry, P is not immediate neighbor of U and S, so P will not come here and here. and it is also not the immediate neighbor of S. So immediate neighbor of S is this, so P will not come here, here and here, so the only remaining place is this one. So P will come here. So all of the conditions are followed, but still the second condition is a mystery. So we have put, the persons we are having P, Q, R, S, T, U, V and W, from which we have put P, we have put Q, we have put U, we have put V and we have put S. The places for the T and R are this one, and the only remaining place is this one. So the letter which is remaining is W, which will come here. So according to the condition, the second condition is still a mystery, so we cannot solve it. Where will be the T and where will be the R? So based on this arrangement we will solve our questions. So the final arrangement will be this is V, this is S, here will be T or R, here will be P, here will be Q, here will be W, here will be U, here will be again T or R. So let's move on to solve the questions. The first question says, who is third to the left of V? So in this case the word which is followed by of is V, so we will point out V, and the direction is left, so we will move on to the left direction, into a clockwise direction, and it is asking who is third. So in the clockwise direction, third place, that is first, second and third, is W. So the answer for the first question is W. It means W is third to the left of V. Now the second question says, what is the position of T with respect to Q? Position of T. So we don't know where T is. It could be here or here also. So we have to find out for both the condition. If the T is here, then what is the position of T with respect to Q? We can clearly see that if T is here, then T is second to the left of T. Second to the left of Q. So first possibility is second to the left of Q, and if we consider T is here, then we can see clearly that it is third to the right of Q. First, second and third. Third to the right of Q. Now just check if both of the conditions are true. The word which is followed by Q or of is Q, so point out Q here, and left direction, so we have to move in a clockwise direction. If you move clockwise direction, and on the second position T is here, so this condition is true, and the word which is followed by of is Q again, and the direction is right, so we will move in anti-clockwise direction, and on the third place, which is 1, 2 and 3, third place, the T is there. So for the second questions, these are the two possibilities. Now the third question says, what is the position of P with respect to R? What is the position of P with respect to R? So R could be here and here also, so we have to check for both possibilities. So in this case, P is immediate right of R, immediate right of R, and here in this case P is exactly in front of R, so we can say P is immediate if we move in anti-clockwise direction from R. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So P is fourth to the right of R. Or if we move in a clockwise direction, we can also say 1, 2, 3, 4. So P is fourth to the left of R. Again, we have only checked the one condition with respect to this R. P is immediate right of R, and if we move in a clockwise direction, we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we can also say 7th to the left of R. So for this question we found 4 different possibilities. Now the fourth question says, if T is second to the left of Q, what is the position of R with respect to P? So we will see if T is second to the left of Q. If T is second to the left of Q, the word followed by of is Q, and the direction is left, so we will move in a clockwise direction, and it says second to the left of Q. Second to the left of Q means there is the first position, there is the second position. So if T is second to the left of Q means if T is here, then definitely R will be here. So in this case, what will be the position of R with respect to P? What will be the position of R with respect to P? So we'll find out the position of R. So if we move in a clockwise direction from P, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be fourth to the left of P, and if we move in anti-clockwise direction, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So fourth to the right of P. So we can say if T is second to the left of Q, then the position of R with respect to P, there will be 2 possibilities. R will be fourth to the left of P, or R will be fourth to the right of P. And now the fifth and final question is, what is the position of W with respect to S? What is the position of W with respect to S? Again, the same. We will find out the position with respect to S, means we have to move from S. If we move in a clockwise direction, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4. It's fourth to the left of S, or fourth to the left, fourth to the right of S. So if you move in a clockwise direction from S, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, fourth to the left of S. And if you move in a anti-clockwise direction, anti-clockwise means right direction, so if you move in anti-clockwise direction, it will say 1, 2, 3, 4. So W will be fourth to the right of S. So in this way we have find out the place of W with respect to S, the two possibilities.
I hope you liked the video. Please share it and post your valuable comments in the below comment box. If you want to find out some more videos, please visit this YouTube channel. And do not forget to press the subscribe button here to get the future updates. Thank you.